All right, there she goes. There she goes. Yeah, it's a big one. Good morning, everybody, from the Adirondacks. Today, it's nice. I'm going to say not real warm, but it's a warm day. We've lost a lot of snow. We're going to get Tim's sawmill out and try to get it set up so he can cut a few logs. So come on with us. Okay, so far we've come out of the shed and we're rolling the sawmill on pieces of pipe.
Get out of here.
Tim's getting the shed ready to set it up in. That's going to be its permanent home, I think. Alright, moving on. Okay, she's in her home. All we have to do is get it level and put on the extension tracks. We've got it in the shed. And now Rick is went over to the house, is level, so we can get it all leveled out, so we can start cutting some wood. So stay tuned. He's going to grab the level. Okay, we got everything level.
See how it works out.
See how it works out. Due to the ice in the ground, we're just a little high on this end.
It's rolling pretty freely, right?
But left and right, it's level. And stop. Yeah, I think we got it. See if it wants to go home by itself.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Oh, I like that.
See you now. Bye-bye.
Self-returning. That's perfect right there. I like that.
Almost made it.
All right. Think we ought to go get a log so you can try it?
Yeah, let's try it.
No, we're not doing that today.
Oh, yes, we are.
All right, we're out. Okay, so we just cut one log right there. It's about 10 foot. And Rick's going after another one that we couldn't get to a couple weeks ago because of the snow. So we're going to try and get that one right there. All right, we'll get back to you. All right, so Rick's shooting at this tree. It's a fairly big one. Try and be careful with the wind. The wind's blowing pretty good today. Try to make sure it drops that way. All right, there she goes. There she goes. Yeah, it's a big one. All right, we got to get busy, guys. I hate cutting these big spruces down like this. They're beautiful trees. But as you can see the black marks right in here? Those are ant channels. This tree was dying. Probably over the summer, maybe a little longer. The tree would have died. The ants would have torn it up enough to where, so you can see where there's a channel right here. It would have torn it up enough to where the log would be worth nothing. So right now we're going to take these trees down that are starting to die and we'll utilize the lumber. Hudson Patriot sawmill, first cut. Well, actually second cut, but first log. He'll assemble this himself.
Be good. Go back in your house. I love this thing, man. I love it.
So what'd you end up with?
I love it. We ended up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 1x6s.
7 1x6s?
You know, got a little live edge on the one, but
That's all right.
6 of them, I guess.
Well, pull a board off. Let's see what they look like.
Look like cut wood. There you go. There's a good one right there. Look at that, baby.
Oh yeah.
Smells good too.
Okay. It looks to me like the Patriot cuts just fine. Thanks for watching.
Yes, sir.